Hi all, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is perfectionism. We'll be discussing as to what is perfectionism, how is it affecting us, and what can we do to overcome it such that we can lead much more fulfilling and comfortable lives. I think one of the most profound examples can be taken from our college lives. Think of it, in college, whether it is that we are writing an assignment or whether we are writing an exam or participating in extracurricular activities, whatever it is that we are participating or doing, everyone expects us to be perfect, whether it is our peers, our friends, college faculty, our parents, our relatives. Everyone expects that the results are the best and perfect. Not only them, the world has been raising the bar too high these days, correct? Everyone is achieving so much in life. They are doing so many aspects and things in their lives that we feel left out. We feel inadequate. We feel that, okay, what do I need to do so that I can be at that level, right? That happens to many of us. This particular thing which is happening repeatedly, starting from school days to college days and as they go further in life, pushes people into a specific kind of thought process, in fact. That is, whatever they do, they feel it's not adequate or good enough, so they should still work on it more before showcasing it to the world or releasing it to the world or performing it in front of the world. And this particular thought process is known as the imposter syndrome. That is, people feel inadequate in whatever they are doing and they try to strive so much before putting it out there that they don't even take the first step, and so it never starts. I think the best example I can give is of this particular YouTube channel, because this is something which I always had an aversion towards. And I was thinking, okay, now I put out this video, what would people think of it? What will they, why would they even watch this? Why? Because there are such amazing YouTube content creators out there. They have complete production houses. They have people and a complete team who write the script, produce it, edit it, and then publish on videos. It is highly and heavily polished. So people would love to watch those, and they would not watch these ones which I make. That's why what is the point of even making it, these kind of videos? And then I had this sudden thought that, okay, that day of perfection is never going to come, correct? So instead, I rather start it and learn along the way. And that is a much better approach rather than not even taking the first step. And that's why I started this channel. And I am really glad I did that, because I just enjoy coming here to this YouTube channel, putting forward my ideas and expressing it to everyone. So this is something that would apply to everyone's lives and every phase of our lives, because whether you are in school or you are in college or you are in your working life, going to work, wherever we are, we'll encounter situations wherein we have to take up and do something, correct? And there might be many and multiple people watching us. Just because they are watching us, or just because we think that we are not adequate enough or we don't have the complete skill set to do it, doesn't mean we should back off. We should go ahead, take it up, learn it along the way, execute, and then things generally turn out good. They don't turn out as bad as we think they would. Like, most of the things are just built out in here in the mind. But if you see practically, whatever we do, just go back in your life, what all the things you have done since your schooling, right? Things don't turn out that bad. They turn out somewhat okay, or sometimes really good. So you can just learn through those experiences. Go ahead and ensure that you always take up new things and don't strive for perfection. Instead, you do your preparation and be confident that whatever you have done is good enough. Go ahead and present it to others without hesitation. So now the question arises as to how can we get past imposter syndrome or perfectionism? So let's see. To start with, break your thought process first, right? Most of the things originate here. We just overthink things, right? Okay, tomorrow I have that presentation. Will I be able to do it? Okay, what is the content? Do I remember the content? Will I be able to present it well? Etc, etc, etc. Just break the thought process and concentrate on the facts. What are the facts? You have the presentation tomorrow. You need to prepare for it and present it. That's it. Don't think beyond that. And get right to it. start preparing. Next, realize that this happens to everyone, right? You are not alone in this. It's not like you are going to space and you are the first man on the moon. No, you're not that, correct? There are many people exactly feeling like you. You are not doing something very different. You are doing things just like how many people do it. And when you are preparing for it, just like many of the other people, you are also feeling that same feeling of anxiety that, oh, I may not be able to do it. That's it, nothing else. So instead of trying to perfect things and be like, okay, I'll prepare, just be there and okay, what are the facts? I have this much content, right? I have to just prepare and take the first step. Okay, I need to learn the first line. Let me learn the first line and remember it and present it and test it out and just progress step after step. That's it. Right? Don't hold back. Now the next thing I would say might sound a little crazy, but then I would say, why don't you reward yourself, right? And not even after achieving it, right? Even before also you can do that. That'll motivate you to take the steps further. Suppose you have 10 steps in achieving what you want to achieve, correct? Have some kind of a reward for yourself after every 3 steps. So you know that some reward is waiting for you once you reach those 3 steps, and so on and so forth. And by the time you realize, you'll be done with all the 10 steps, and in the process, whatever you wanted to accomplish would have already been achieved. So I think these are some good things we can use in our lives to overcome perfectionism and to reach our goals. So yeah, that is all about it for today. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye.